Alright, it's about 9 o'clock on Sunday morning here, and my buddy Mike showed up, and we're on a journey, we're on an adventure.
We are.
It's going to be about 170 miles, right, Mike?
Yeah, 170 miles, just over 3 hours.
Just over 3 hours. We're going to, that'd be eastern Pennsylvania, right? No, western.
Western Pennsylvania.
Western Pennsylvania, yeah. Yeah, we're going from our house here to, it's almost in Maryland. Close to Hagerstown, Maryland. What is it? We're going to Chambersburg, PA.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, that's about 20-30 miles from...
We're going to pass right through Carlisle, actually.
Right, we're going to be on the turnpike, the Pensy Turnpike, so if we see anything, we'll let you know. If not, we'll show you when we get there. You're gonna like what we're getting. Alright, we say, buddy, let's go.
Let's roll.
Rock and roll, buddy. Alright, we're back from our trip, and this is what we picked up. A 1946 Lincoln Zephyr V12.
Yep.
How's it looking, Mike?
It looks pretty good on the inside. It should be a good running engine when we're all done with it. Yeah. I don't think it needs all that much work to get it running. I mean, there's a few missing parts. Carburetor, water pumps, generator, things like that. But the internals of the engine seem sound. Distributor is there. So put some new spark plug wires on it. Set a carburetor up, figure out some kind of water pump solution, whether we find some originals or what, you know, we'll make it work.
Yeah, what's it missing, Mike? The only thing we're missing is it has 2 water pumps.
Right, the 2 water pumps.
Let me scoot around here. Oh, they're in the front, they're in this way?
Yeah, yep.
Yeah, okay.
See those holes?
Here you go.
One there.
This is the distributor here, and it needs 2 water pumps, so we're going to have to work on getting that, and we're going to need a generator too, Mike.
Yeah, the generator.
Generator should be easy.
There's one actually on Craigslist locally, so we probably gotta go pick that up.
Yeah, you have to give that link to the little dirt bike there, and me and him can handle that.
Yeah.
That's a road trip. All right, we're running out of daylight here, so we want to try and get this off the Mike's truck and put it on my little trailer there. So.
Okay.
All right, we'll talk about this later. Go ahead. Yeah, I don't know what this thing weighs, but I know it's pretty heavy. It's all cast iron. Alright. Yeah, we're going to let it down here on the back of this trailer and then slide up with a come along. Because I think that thing's too heavy to move with that on the wheels.
Yeah, your driveway's a little bumpy to try to roll it around with.
Yeah, now I got these big creases, yeah. Surprised they didn't lift the back of the truck up.
Yeah.
Alright, let me go get it coming on. Alright, yeah, it's working good, Mike.
Here you
Probably run out of cable just as where we need it.
Yeah, I think so. A little bit forward of the axle will be perfect.
Yep.
That's about it.
Alright, it's the next day, and we didn't get a chance to show you much of this engine because it started getting dark out. I got a little dirt bike with me today.
Hey, too.
Got his orange hat on. Yeah, I guess you're afraid somebody's going to shoot him.
Hunting season.
Yeah. So like I said, we didn't get much video of this, so I don't know. I probably only got about 4 minutes of video. So, but I just got something in the mail, so let's go inside, buddy. I'll show you what we got. All right, we're back inside here, and I just got this in the mail. It's not a Midwest Turbo. It's a box from my buddy Mr. Heavy Chevy. Here you go, buddy. Why don't you open that up?
All right.
There's a razor blade right there on the bench. Yeah, he told me he was going to send me some spark plugs, but it's got to be the biggest, heaviest spark plugs I've ever seen. Here you go, put it over here. All right, well, let's see what he got here. Well, it sent us more than spark plugs.
Think there's something in here.
There we go, sediment bowl. We use that.
Yeah, some kind of old carburetor.
Yeah. And what else we got here? A deflector. Hey, you know what that is, buddy? That's You put that on mufflers so that you don't get blown in the face like the engine in front of you.
Oh yeah, you mean like on the
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it goes on the end of a
right.
sort of a pancake muffler.
Speaking of mufflers.
Yeah, there you go. You got one in your hand.
Yep.
Yeah, we use that.
Yeah.
That's cool. Very cool. Oh, look at this. That's I think it's like a reduction gear.
Looks like it.
An
Yeah.
antique reduction.
Yeah, because you're spinning that. Let me see if I
Yeah.
can figure that out. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
not right. There you go. Yeah, if you spin that, it looks like the output over here is spinning slower.
Yeah.
Now you just disengage
You can disengage it.
Yeah.
Huh.
Huh. Yeah, it must
Cool.
be like a little planetary gear set in there.
Pretty cool.
It's pretty neat.
That's before they had variable speeds and stuff.
Yeah.
Let's see what else we got. Some graphite, liquid graphite. You know, I just run out of that recently, and it was the same company and everything.
Oh.
So we use that.
Gas cap?
Yeah, sort of gas cap with a pour lid.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we'll use that. Here are the spark plugs. It's an empty box. It's probably goofing on me. Oh no, here they are. They fell out of the box. Yeah,
Armalite.
yeah, we'll use that. You know, that's good because, excuse me, buddy. Whenever we get an engine, this is what the plugs look like. So, we'll definitely use that. Alright, let's see what else we got there.
Looks like some gasket maker.
Former gasket, yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. New old stock. It's still good.
Yeah.
We'll use that. Nice, buddy. Oh, look at that.
Oh, man. How about that?
Look at that. When I first seen that come out of the box, I thought that was going to be
That's what I
a
thought.
46 LMV, which is Mow and Glow. Get it over there. It's right on top there, to the left. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There you go.
Yeah, that's
There
what
you
I
go.
thought, too.
Look at that.
Ha.
These here, the one little dirt bike has there. Turn it, buddy. Turn it to the number. LM46B. It's a very rare plug that actually has a bulb in the middle. They call it Mow and Glow, and it you can actually see the ignition flashing. It's pretty cool. That's what I thought this was when I was sitting. I was like, oh man. And they go for like $100 now on eBay, but that's just a lawnmower plug, which is good. We'll use that too. And look at this. You know, people think, oh, he's goofing on me. He sent this, but this is what we call a cool factor because it's a Fisk. There's a little guy holding the tire and everything, and the lantern or the candle, and I bet you put that in an electrolysis tank, it'll look pretty good. But
Yeah.
that's pretty cool. That's a cool factor there. That's not a goof. That's cool. What else we got, buddy?
More plugs. Got a
Oh, a
needle,
valve, a carburetor maybe.
Yeah.
All right. What we got here?
It's like some kind of bearing. It's part of the bearing anyway. The race.
Yeah. Okay. That's cool. Ford. We got Ford. He probably threw this in there because he was probably gonna throw it in the garbage. He's a Chevy guy.
Yeah.
I think he does have a Ford though.
Some
Got
kind
a
of
Crosley.
gears. Speedometer.
Speedometer gears. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good. And, wow.
A lot of stickers.
Yeah, bunch of stickers. Load, center load, and everything. You put some of them on your trailer. Yeah, we use them, buddy. Oh, look. What's he got under here? There you go. Who the heck is Mr. Heavy Chevy? Very cool. Oh, he's got enough for me, you, and Mike. Very
Same
cool.
ones?
Yeah, same thing. Looks like.
Yep.
Huh. Very cool. All right. Well, thanks a lot, Mr. Heavy Chevy. And Mrs. Heavy Chevy, because I'm almost positive you probably had something to do with this. Probably packed it up and brought it to the post office and everything. So, anybody that don't know, that hasn't watched this guy's channel, it's well worth watching. He's, you know, a lot of channels are good, but he's above good, you know. Whenever you go there, you're never disappointed. You know, he sort of has like an entourage, like me and the guys here, but it's him, his wife, and he's got a daughter and a son, and they all work in the garage with him, and it's pretty cool. You don't see his daughter much anymore, I guess, because she's older, but I've actually watched these kids grow up. You know, she looks like she's well into her sophomore, senior year in high school, and they all drive Chevys. You know, Mrs. Heavy Chevy drives one from the 50s, 55, 57 Chevy pickup. And then the girl drives like a 65 Chevy, and I think he drives like a 75, something, you know, each decade, but it's pretty cool. But he's an excellent welder, excellent mechanic, and even a good body man. I can't say he's excellent because that's competition. No, he's a good body man, good metal man too. So you'll enjoy his channel. So go over there and check him out, and tell him Road King sent you. And I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. Got a really good channel. So thanks again, Mr. Heavy Chevy, and we'll use all this stuff definitely. And we may even clean our garage and send something over to you. So thanks again. What do you say, buddy?
Thanks, buddy.
All right. Enough of this. I'll leave a link for you guys. Go over there and check him out. You won't be disappointed. You know, he's a funny guy. You know, he's got a dry sense of humor, and he's sort of like me. You never see him on a camera, but and he features all the rest of the family. But it's definitely worth a look at. So, all right. I'll leave a link for you guys, and go check him out.